Modern ML workflows depend on organized datasets. The Data Catalog module offers a JSON registry for effective dataset management. It simplifies cataloging, metadata management, and project tracking. As part of the G.O.D framework, it centralizes dataset management and enhances team collaboration. Purpose: Data Catalog ensures datasets are organized and accessible. Key aspects include centralized management, maintain a repository with metadata and version records. Enhanced collaboration, teams easily access datasets with consistent metadata. Audit and compliance, conduct audits efficiently with thorough history records. Streamlined access, serve as a reliable source for analytics projects. Key features: Data Catalog offers several features to streamline management: JSON registry, portable dataset registry in JSON format. Add datasets, create entries with size, source, schema, and format. Retrieve metadata, access dataset properties and usage quickly. List datasets, generate visibility into the dataset inventory. Automatic persistency, update persistence prevents information loss. Error-handled logging, logging ensures transparency and accountability. Validation management, handle invalid data without disrupting workflows. Role in G.O.D framework, Data Catalog enhances organization and discoverability. Roles include metadata centralization, store vital metadata for easy access. Audit-ready documentation, keep records for compliance. Collaboration optimization, act as a project reference. Seamless workflow integration, coordinate with monitoring and privacy modules. Future enhancements. Data Catalog is evolving with features to meet needs. Web interface, manage datasets visually and intuitively. Version history, track changes in dataset versions. Cloud storage integration, sync datasets with cloud storage. Search capabilities, implement advanced metadata search. Big data compatibility, scale for large datasets across platforms. API access, provide RESTful API for external interactions. Conclusion: Data Catalog centralizes management and catalogs datasets with detailed metadata. It automates persistence, ensuring seamless access and organization. Essential for G.O.D framework, it helps teams focus on insights rather than scattered datasets. Start using the Data Catalog module for better organization and data-driven project success.